Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of self-driving cars and how they are completely changing the way we go about our daily routines. One of the most surprising ways self-driving cars are revolutionizing routines is by providing a safer and more efficient mode of transportation. With advanced sensors and algorithms, these vehicles can navigate complex traffic situations with ease, reducing the risk of accidents and saving valuable time for their passengers. Another game-changing aspect of self-driving cars is their potential to improve accessibility for those with disabilities or mobility issues. By offering a convenient and reliable means of transportation, self-driving cars are paving the way for greater independence and freedom for individuals who may have previously struggled to get around. It's truly amazing to see how self-driving cars are transforming our daily lives in ways we never could have imagined. Let us know in the comments how you think self-driving cars will continue to revolutionize routines in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Hey there, friends. Today, I want to talk to you about how making mindful routine changes can actually boost your neural networks and improve your overall well-being. When we engage in mindfulness practices such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises, we are actually strengthening the connections in our brains. By focusing on the present moment and being aware of our thoughts and feelings, we can create new neural pathways that promote mental clarity and emotional resilience. Main story point 1: implementing small changes in our daily routines, such as taking a few minutes each morning to practice gratitude or going for a walk in nature, can have a significant impact on our brain health. These simple actions can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance our overall cognitive function. Main story point 2: engaging in activities that challenge our brains, such as learning a new skill or solving puzzles, can also help strengthen our neural networks. By stepping out of our comfort zones and engaging in new experiences, we can create new connections in the brain that promote growth and development. Remember, by making mindful routine changes, you have the power to enhance your neural networks and unlock your full potential. So go ahead, embrace these small changes, and watch as your brain transforms in amazing ways. Uplifting ending sentence: here's to a happier, healthier brain and a more vibrant life. Stay mindful, my friends.
Hey there, friends. Are you looking to take your daily routine to the next level? Well, today I'm here to share some tips on how you can boost your routine with the power of blockchain technology. First things first, let's talk about organization. Blockchain technology can help streamline your tasks and keep everything in order. By utilizing blockchain-based apps, you can easily track your progress, set reminders, and stay on top of your to-do list. Now, let's move on to accountability. Blockchain's transparent and secure nature makes it the perfect tool for setting goals and holding yourself accountable. By using blockchain to track your progress, you can stay motivated and focused on achieving your daily objectives. So there you have it, folks. By incorporating blockchain technology into your routine, you can boost your productivity, stay organized, and reach your goals faster than ever before. Give it a try and watch your success soar. Uplifting ending sentence: here's to a more efficient and successful future with blockchain by your side. Cheers to your continued success.
Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the exciting world of self-driving cars and exploring the next big breakthrough in this innovative technology. One major development in self-driving cars is the advancement of artificial intelligence algorithms. These algorithms continuously learn and adapt to different driving scenarios, making self-driving cars safer and more efficient on the road. Another key breakthrough is the improvement in sensor technology. Sensors like LiDAR and cameras are becoming more sophisticated, allowing self-driving cars to better perceive their surroundings and make split-second decisions in real time. As the technology behind self-driving cars continues to evolve, we are seeing consistent success in their development. From smarter AI algorithms to advanced sensor technology, the future of self-driving cars is looking brighter than ever. So buckle up and get ready for a future where self-driving cars revolutionize the way we travel. The next big breakthrough is just around the corner.
Hey there, fellow quantum enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk to you about mastering quantum computing and how it can unlock a world of discipline and consistent success for you. The first key to mastering quantum computing is discipline. It's all about being dedicated to learning and practicing consistently. Just like any skill, quantum computing requires time and effort to truly excel. So, make sure to set aside time each day to study and experiment with different algorithms and concepts. The second key is staying consistent. Quantum computing is a complex field that requires constant growth and adaptation. By staying consistent in your learning and pushing yourself to try new things, you'll be able to unlock your full potential and achieve success in this fascinating field. Remember, mastering quantum computing is all about discipline and consistency. So, keep pushing yourself, keep learning, and watch as your skills and knowledge grow exponentially.